ready? Are you ready? You ready, Jimmy? You ready, Jimmy? Okay. You ready? Jimmy, ready? Go get it. Oh, she's so excited. She's got the stick. She's got the stick. She's got the stick. Oh. Get back here. Come back here. Go, go.
So today we're gonna go, we're just on a little road adventure. We're gonna go see if we can find the wombat. Or the wombat holes at least. We'll see.
We crawl down it?
Nope.
Okay. I've crawled down a wombat hole before. Okay, hold on. Caleb, stop for a second. Caleb, I'm falling out. I'm falling out. I'm falling out. Caleb. 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 Shit, Caleb, seriously. It's not funny. I can't get back in.
Get back in.
I can't. She's taking up too much room. Jit. Move over. Ow! Move. Caleb, get to Caleb.
Gypsy, come here.
There you go, baby. Okay, let's go. That's better.
Crikey. So here we have a wombat hole.
It's called a wombat burrow. Now a little bit about the burrow. This is a very old burrow. It would have been a few generations old. Are you even filming?
Yeah.
So this is a few generations old, this burrow. So there's multiple entrances. As you can see, there's some there's an entrance over here. You see a small entrance here. There would be another one over there. And as you'd walk around, you'd find more entrances. There's another one over there. So that when the wombat, if it gets in trouble at any point in time, it has multiple entrances into its burrow, which then is underneath the ground is burrowed out in multiple different directions. But this is the main burrow entrance of the wombat. At the moment there's a young wombat in here, but like I said, it's generations old. So many wombats have lived here and they like to, it's a bit dirty at the moment, but they tend to like to clean out their burrows and make sure it's nice and tidy so they have an easy access into their burrow if they ever need to escape. And yeah, that's about it for the burrow of the wombat. Right here, and Jippy was here and he didn't move. Get in. I feel like I'm in a magic land with fairies coming out of the ground. Oh, there they go. They're flying ants, and there's hundreds of them. And the little ants are pulling them out from under the ground, and then they all of a sudden take off. See, you can see them pulling them out. And then once they're out, they just fly away. They're flying all around us right now. And they just look like little fairies. Just coming out of the ground. That's amazing.